guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misty, and today we're going to do Sephora unboxing. So let's start. So we have this box. It's a Sephora box. It's called Make Everyday Big Kit. Make Everyday Big Kit. Ayan. So it's actually a kit na merong mascara, eyeliner, and makeup remover. Actually guys, medyo nakaluwag-luwag tayo. So nakabili tayo ng medyo good quality products. It's not very much high-end, pero these are good brands. So I was supposed to buy ito lang na Sephora eyeliner, but it turned out na in buying this pack, mas nakakatipid ako kasi I just bought this pack for about, let me just check, for let me see, we got this pack for 130 dirhams, 129 actually, pero ito is already 70. And that one, the mascara, Sephora mascara, is about 95 already. So just those two is 70, 140, 50, 60, 165 na. Pero pa yung makeup remover. So, it's very much wais, kahit still, it's very much wais to buy this kit kasi nakasave tayo. Diba? So, let's open the box. Ayan guys, nag-aaral ako na mag-cut crease para sa ating next video. So there. Ayan yung tatlong bango. So ayan yung tatlong item. We have the Sephora size up volume extra large immediate supersized volume extra large immediate, meron pang French. So ayan siya, and we have the mga best seller daw to. Ito daw yung best seller na eyeliner ng Sephora, which is Sephora eyeliner liquid lang, intense ink liner. Ayan. And we have the makeup remover. So, ayan guys. We will be using these 3 products sa susunod natin na video. This is just an unboxing. So, see, it's very cute. And kikay. So, apart from that, I also got Huda Beauty. Kasi I always, pag branded product, I always use or buy Goof Proof by Benefit. This time, I wanted to try this Huda Beauty product, which is Bomb Brows. It's a micro shade brow pencil. I haven't used any product that parang imitates a microblading effect. So this is something that we're definitely going to use on the next tutorial then, or video. So that's the product. I got the shade of medium brown. There it is. And you have this spoolie at the other end. So ayan. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. By the way, Sephora gave me some tester, yung mga perfume tester, and also because I was checking out for a new foundation, they gave me this small tester then for a Fenty foundation, which we are going to use also on the next video. So there you have it guys. I hope you like this unboxing. And see you in my next video. Ciao, keep safe.